That's so gay. Let's be honest, it's probably not.
Where did "that's so gay" come from?
It's amazing how such a small word can cause so much trouble.
Someone casually, thoughtlessly saying "that's so gay" probably doesn't want to hurt someone's feelings like that, but that's what happens.
When people weren't so accepting, they really did think it was rubbish to be gay, and so they simply swapped "that's so rubbish" with "that's so gay."
In the 21st century, most people know that gay people are just like everyone else and certainly don't think that being gay is rubbish. The problem is, even though our attitudes have changed, the language some people use hasn't. And that means that every time a gay person hears someone say, "Oh, that's so gay," they're being rubbished.
If you do want to challenge homophobic language, don't feel you have to make a big deal about it. Something simple as saying, "You do realise that's homophobic, don't you?" should do the trick.
We all challenge anyone who comes out with homophobic language. It won't take long to get it out of our classrooms.
Even if I wanted to, my love, my love, my love, she keeps me warm, she keeps me warm.